Hello and welcome back to the article arc. China's economy dominance is no accident. It's a result of a strategic policies, massive investment and global dependencies. But now countries around the world are waking up to the risks. Is it too late to reduce reliance on China? Or can a fresh policy response turn the tide? In this video, we break down why urgent action is needed, what governments are doing, and how this shift could reshape global trade. Let's dive in. Fresh policy response must to cut China grip. Flags concerns over EV solar supply China. China's domination of global manufacturing has promoted the economic survey to suggest fresh policy response, especially in case of electric vehicles, green energy and critical minerals, as it reminded that the dragon's voice like grip had caused major shocks to major industrialized nations. China's rise in the global auto market has dis- disrupted the long term incumbents in economic like Germany and Japan, and it dominates the global distribution of critical minerals and other economic resources, creating potential dependencies for posterity, it said. The document pointed out how Chinese companies were dominating the global supply chain, controlling over 80% of the production capacity in solar power equipment and being home to the world's top 10 producers. Similarly, it controlled 80% of the battery manufacturing capacity, processed 70% of the rare minerals, and was home to 60% of the wind energy capacity. While government has been promoting clean energy and green mobility through schemes such as PLI, the government paper said that almost 75% of the lithium ion batteries come from China, pointing to a need for diversity the supply chain. A similar recalibration on EVs was also suggested as the C vehicles required 6 times more minerals than their conventional counterparts. And this is where China enters the frame, controlling the majority of the critical mineral production and processing, be it cobalt, nickel, or lithium. With two-thirds of the rare minerals mined by China and 90% processed by it, the Mines Ministry has concluded that 245 of the 33 critical minerals vital to India's economic security faced high risk of supply disruptions. As demand for EVs is expected to grow, dependency on imported components such as DC motors, e-motors, magnets, and other electrical parts will likely rise. Leading EV manufacturers have noted an increasing portion of Chinese imports in their total material expenditure, reflecting a significant depends on China for certain resources and technical know-how. The survey said. So, what's the solution? More partnership with other countries, diversification of supply chain, and focus on public transport, especially when Indians have poor access to the sea service. Thank you and Jai Hind.